In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can finish quest 4 here in Sailor Peace. This is the monkey boss quest. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, interact with the teleporter and teleport over to Jungle Island. Now, once you're at Jungle Island, equip your strongest weapon, whatever it might be at the time is fine, and essentially make your way over to this NPC right here. This is going to be the Quest 3 NPC, and of course that is these monkeys over here. Quest 4 is located right to the left of him, up kind of on top of this where this little cave is. Just like so. Just interact with this NPC right here, and then of course head up on top of this little cave rock structure, and you essentially just need to take out the monkey boss. You only have to take him out once. He's only level 500, so he's not too difficult, but then you can go back to this guy and just interact with them again and keep repeating the process just like so to complete this quest. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.